I am a newbie to this natural hair journey, and I am trying to stick this out, and I've come up with a routine that I like so far, that I'm comfortable with. Ideally, the goal, as with anybody who goes natural and cuts their hair, is to get their hair growing and healthy and beautiful and luxurious, right? But this is a process, which I didn't know. There's like this whole time consuming process. But in a way, this has become sort of spiritual for me. So I turned 43 in 73 days. And when I originally cut my hair, it wasn't about my birthday coming. It was just about me being unhappy with my weaves and knowing that my hair something needed to be done with my hair, right? So I cut my hair, and it was low-key devastating. And then it becomes about this spiritual journey, right? In a few days, this whole thing has become bigger than my hair. And it's more about a spiritual journey and a journey of reinvention and restoration for my 43rd birthday. But anyway, we'll talk about that more later. I digress on that for a moment. My temporary routine, or my routine as of right now, for getting my hair coming in the way I want is at night, before I go to bed, I spray it. So I'm following the lock method, which is liquid, oil, cream, right? So my liquid at night is this Jane Carter solution. It's a Quench Curl Hydrator. And so that's my liquid. And then my oil is castor oil, right? It's a Jamaican black castor oil. It's lavender scented, because if you can see right here, my edges were almost gone, and that's from years of the braiding pulling on my hair, and then of course me not doing anything to it, because in my mind it's covered by weaves, so I don't need to do anything to it. So I put the castor oil primarily on my edges that I want to grow back, and then I massage it into the rest of my newly bald head. And then I put this Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream on my head, and I brush with this Evolve brush. It's like my son's old brush. I don't even know if it's made out of boar's bristles is what I think it's supposed to be made of, but I'll explore that later. Right now, one of the things I didn't expect to enjoy was the actual brushing of my hair, because for years I've been doing like the weave pat, you know, the weave pat, right? So not quite scratching that itch, and now that I get to actually brush my scalp, it's like I actually enjoy my nightly routine. So, and then I also spray this VO5 beauty oil. It's a mixture of oils, and it's paraben free. The only reason I use this is because I had it already. I don't know if it's good or not, but I was told to pick something, stick with it, be consistent, and then you'll see what's working for your hair. So over a few weeks, if I find out that that's not working, then I'll do some more research and change it up. And then I tie it up with a satin scarf, and I put another scarf on top of it, because the satin scarf looks like a do-rag to me, which I do not like. So then I put my cute pink breast cancer awareness scarf on top of it, so that I look sort of cute in front of my husband at night. And then in the middle of the day, the only thing I do is spray coconut water on it, and I do a mixture of the VO5, the Cantu Natural Curl Cream, and this Fructis Curl Sculpt that I already had, so I'm using it. And right now, it gives me the results I want. I also take a prenatal vitamin, which I restarted, and the only reason I take this is because I had it, and two, I still kind of want another baby, so I want to be as healthy as possible if that should happen. And I take a biotin, and it's in this because I can't remember why I switched it from the bottle. I think it was like a big pack, and I gave half to my daughter, and I took half and put it in this. That's the only reason it's in there. And as of right now, that's really all I do. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but the whole purpose in a journey is to see what works for you. But this whole thing has become about reinventing and restoring myself from head to toe, and a full body transformation inside and out. So we'll see how it goes. And that's it for now. If you guys know of something that I'm not doing that I should be doing, any feedback whatsoever, greatly appreciated. And I am so grateful to you all for the love and support on this, because I am not really happy with my reflection as of right now. So that means a lot to me, and I think it's part of the reason that I haven't gone out and bought. I am probably going to get a couple of wigs just as options, but and getting a weave at this point is not even an option because I don't have enough hair for us to attach it to. So, but thank you guys so much for your support on this, and we will see how long I hang in there. Bye.